caveman.
This thing has never been opened.
This is the build that just keeps on giving, bro.
I drink milk.
You figured out how to focus. It only took like 2 years. Look at that. So, that's not going to be in focus. Been a while. Got a little something special lined up for today. Went on a little trip down to Florida over the weekend to pick up some car parts for that guy. Been running strong on the rebuild. Everything here is technically good. I think I locked it, yeah. Show you underneath later. Or maybe you don't even need to see it. You know what a 13B looks like. Or you know what, even better than that. Here's a different 13B. So, basically, went down to Florida last weekend with my buddies Johnny and Ein to pick up all this junk. So, we got a Turbo 2 motor, kinda. Got a turbo diff, a spare turbo transmission back here, and then there's turbo axles and drive shaft somewhere. This guy, we're going to be tearing it apart today. Johnny and I are going to be coming over, and we're going to see what the hell is going on in here, because, go away. It's got low compression on basically all faces, but there's nothing with no compression. So we're kind of hoping that whatever is going on in the motor is salvageable. But transmission's good, diff feels good. Got the axles and drive shaft, so those are like really what I need for this car. Just got a full Turbo 2 drivetrain for a hell of a price. Oh, also got this Turbo 2 hood. I'll insert some pictures here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really happy with how it worked out. It made it all the way up from Florida to New Jersey with like 0 issues. That thing did not move at all. Alright, so I guess while I'm waiting for Johnny and I to show up, I might as well give you a little story. So this came out of a junkyard car in Florida. One of Johnny's buddies, he was able to pick up the motor, keep it at his place till we went down and picked it up. Super thankful to him for that. Like, this literally would not be possible without him. I'll put his Instagram, I guess, down here. If, I recommend you guys check him out. Pretty cool dude.
I saw this on the floor and I'm like, you caveman.
What?
The fucking... Bro, let's put them up.
Yeah.
I don't want that falling on my foot like last time.
Last time?
Don't worry about what happened last time.
Oh, that's it, Phil, bro. It's dead, it's dead. Oh, this is great start. It's fucking...
I hate it already, dude.
Oh, oil coming out.
Yeah, on the other
Hold
side
on.
now.
Ooh, yeah.
Damn it.
Did you tell
gotta get more
David
pigments.
about what
Broken.
happened?
Don't you love when your oil pan's broken a
Oh,
bolt and then
yeah.
missing a
With the
bolt?
quarters?
What? Dude, they were fucking with that, too.
Oh, wait, here. It's probably still here. Look at this. What's that?
Oh, he did not say keep the change. What the fuck? Oh my god.
And there was another one here as well.
See, that's
Wait, is that for a coolant port?
Yes.
Yeah.
Dude, this guy's fucking MacGyver.
We already made 50 cents out of the motor.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, so wait, did you guys make a bet on like what type of seal or like what type of port?
No. Well, I don't
You guys should
Give me a 9, you fucker. I know it's a big
guys-
street port.
Okay.
Or not.
What seals you think?
It's Rody Aviation Apex seals, solid orange seals, and then like whatever you size shoes have laying around.
I agree with you on the solid corner seals, but Atkins, like full everything else. Yeah.
Alright, well,
Okay.
I think I'm gonna put my money on it that this thing has never been opened. Factory. I'm telling you, they painted it that way from the factory.
Oh my god! Hey, look at this. Yo, this guy just keeps on giving.
What?
What the fiddle?
What?
Yo,
What?
what the fuck?
What's going on?
Yo, it's backwards.
Oh my god.
It's
Backwards. It was already loose.
It was safe. That was for
got it.
safety.
Yo, I'm glad we're documenting this, bro. This is fucking terrible.
The previous owner is gonna see this.
Oh,
Yo,
I hope
what?
so.
Yeah.
Is that a screw?
Yeah.
Nope, they're different.
These are pictures of the
This motor has never been opened.
This is an 11! Or like a 12 or something.
Wait.
This motor was just whatever shit they had lying around.
I can take. Imagine me able to take off your oil.
This one was not tight.
I don't think none of them were tight.
No way.
No way, it's a fucking wood screw!
Oh my. Wait. Let me take a picture of that. Oh man.
We haven't even opened the motor yet.
Oh no. This is insane. Look at
Oh my god.
They RTV'd it and used the gasket.
And it's not a thin coat of RTV. They went for it.
I don't see it.
Oh, motor can. Oh, it cracked. Interesting, yeah.
Fucking Mason.
Yeah.
How much chain slack is there? Definitely.
Yeah, that's I'd say that's
Oh my god.
pretty fucked.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
This is not even tight.
What do you mean? Yeah, that doesn't have to be tight. Why would that have to be tight?
No,
It
like
Is this for the? I'm just kidding.
There is.
I'm being.
not even that, but like the bolt over there. I don't even think that's on.
Oh no. It's
Chat, is this real, chat? What is this?
Something in there?
There's a
No,
bit.
this is some metal shavings, but it's not like wild. Might be like this assembly or whatever assembly they were doing.
That is some gray oil.
Wow. I am so scared to keep going. But
That's our TV.
I'm not scared. This is exciting, kind of.
better be exciting for you because this is the fucking. It's gonna go in your car.
Is it?
If it's not completely shit.
First.
Like it's angled, right? It's not supposed to be
Yeah.
angled. Like
What?
what?
Whoa, my god.
See, some of that says RTV.
That better fucking be.
It's RTV
Yeah, but why is he sealing it?
because
Look at this. Look at how different they are from each other.
they have like thread, like a washer in it with a rubber grommet.
I guarantee
he didn't
you,
replace them.
There's no washer in here.
This is some tomfoolery.
This is looking more like it's just gonna be a parts. At least we can pay shit for it.
Yeah, exactly.
What is
exactly.
this? I mean, did you guys fuck that or was
It's a
it fun?
19, dude.
No,
Look,
it was
someone.
Curled up, it was curled up like that before.
That's it.
It's a little.
Wait, where's your weighted socket?
I don't need that. Might need that.
It fits barely. Yes, the weighted socket works every time.
Okay, so this is a stock pulley that he had anodized.
Yes.
I don't understand why he's spending money on like this, but then everything else is like my brother in
No.
Christ. Can't make that shit.
These are stud.
Whoa. You got a license for that?
Look at the spinning difference. Oh, this is busty. This was probably gonna break too. Fuck it, it breaks.
Damn, it came out.
Wow.
And
Alright, is it? Oh, it's rusty. I don't even know.
It's fucked.
Yeah, it's fucked.
Oh,
Oh my god!
Whoa! Wait. Oh, that just got there.
what is this?
That is aluminum corrosion.
We need to study it for science. Yo, look at this. No way. There's a leaf in here. Like, it's been in here a while.
Leaf gap. Oh my
no,
god,
that's
there's
not a leaf.
That's not a leaf, brother.
What is
that paint?
that?
Do they?
Oh, it
paint
feels
inside?
nasty in there, bro.
What is that?
Hold up.
Hold up.
What is that? Is that a...
It's giving me like backwoods rap.
you fuck with your
Like
back.
Fonto.
You don't fuck with
Like
the.
tobacco leaf.
We're fucked.
Nah, it's.
Well, we could leave it on the front housing for now.
No.
We can just leave it on the front housing.
Yeah, I mean, that's what it's looking like.
That's it.
So bad. Can
I swear we had a big black.
Yeah, whoa. Okay, I got somewhere. Oh, there we go. See, wow. So then the counterweight is. It's up.
Put the bolt back in. You can start lifting it. See how it comes.
Yeah, it's.
You have to take that off again.
I hope that's enough.
Yeah, that looks good.
Your phone's about to die.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's fine. It won't die. 1/8 of a turn at a time, brother.
Damn, that is... What was that?
Auto pump.
No
Wait,
way.
hold up.
This way. The front stack delete. We'll take the motor apart.
Reduce rotating weight. Rotating mass. Oh.
Yes.
Beautiful. Oh my god. That is like not pretty.
This. What the fuck is it hitting here?
The chain? No.
No, it's the J.
No, that's like for the OMP.
No, this is the OMP. This is like the
Wait,
turbo.
yeah, that. Wait, hold up. It would have to be.
There's no way it's smacking the chain. Okay, so then that's there. This would be.
It's gotta be the. It is the chain.
Dude, it's
It's the chain. The chain is
somehow get a picture.
It
of
is.
this.
That is insane. Yeah.
Oh, this is welded on too. This is the build that just keeps on giving, bro. I haven't had to use a chisel on fucking disassembly.
Oh.
Okay.
Keep doing it. Just give it back and forth.
Yeah, it moved. There you go. I was gonna.
Why?
Why?
That's crazy.
Keep going. You're almost...
I'm so happy we took the front part first.
Look at all this beautifulness in there.
Oh, what?
We should have checked end play. Play with my fingers. Okay. How does the bearing look? What condition is the front bearing in?
Not me?
Yes.
What condition?
Yeah, what is it?
Fantastic. 10 out
I
of
said
10.
surprisingly decent.
Okay, so that's like an
considering-
8, 7 out of 10. You
Yeah.
think it's
Many colors.
so like 3 out of 10, 1 out of 10.
Two out of 10.
I think 4 out of 10, and it's just showing like they tightened the fan belt too tight, and it
Okay.
it spun on one side.
All right.
I'm scared, dude. Yep, spun one side.
Ah.
Because they over tightened the fan belt, so then this went in like this, and since the fan was too tight, it was actually pulling the E shaft up and just wearing up here. Because it was.
I wouldn't say that's spun, but I'd say
No, it's not spun.
That's worn.
That's worn.
It's
Very
su-
worn.
it's
I'm sorry
heavily
for
worn.
talking incorrectly. We are very tired. The external oil mod
Yeah.
for cool people only, because you know this car really needed it.
Oh yeah. Well, apparently not, because the oil didn't fucking work.
What do you mean? Oh.
Well, fucking call me Obama. These O-rings look new. Probably this is like probably the last thing they installed before they was like, yeah, you know,
Fuck it.
we're cooked.
Everything else from here on is gonna be fresh.
Can you use this on your car?
Nah, maybe.
Maybe. Possible maybe. Okay, at least that was loose. Maybe it's just that one I forgot to tighten.
What?
I wonder how loud it is.
You know it's working.
And it's just
They
unstacking
RTV'd
it, right?
it too.
They RTV'd it.
Oh god.
Better question is what did they RTV at this point, bro?
Yeah.
This is kind of similar to how the engine that blew up in my first engine that blew up.
Okay,
in
this
the
we're just gonna have to knock it out the other side. Just
G31.
Yeah.